How to create Roblox free server. So first of all, open up your Roblox application. Now tap on the search icon and search for your game name. Now tap on the game. Now swipe up and tap on servers. Now click on create private server. Now enter your server name and tap on buy now. Now go to customize. Now manage the settings. Tap on generate and copy the link. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question, want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.